lawang malakas sa larangan na ito, ang pangalan ay babakas. Salpakang makikitang lumipad ng mataas, matibay na dibdib, hindi mo matitinag. Mga manlalarong makikita mo na sisinag. Hawak ang bandera ng liga na may kumpiyansa sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at buong Asya.
Determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
This is the latest and hottest basketball league that will redefine the way we experience the game of basketball, not just in the Philippines, but also in Asia. We are inside the amazing Brenziguiao Convention Center, the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, home of the Christian capital of the Philippines, as this is the second game of day number of the 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup. As we take a look, Laguna Datslav X Eos Construction ready to take on the defending home team, the Hustle Rising Suns, here in Brenziguiao Convention Center. This is our second game of our opening day here in 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup, and that is our game at hand, Hustle Rising Suns kontra Laguna Datslav X Eos Construction. And good evening and magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga ka-SLA natin who are watching this live coverage of the 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Cup Born 2001. And syempre kami ang makakasama nyo, Rowie Sacote and Coach Pancho Alfonso. Coach, first day, opening day, second game of the day. Ano expectations natin here in this small game?
Actually, sobrang excited ako ngayon, Rowie, dahil nasinagan ko na naman ulit yung pagmumukha mo na napaka-ganda at napaka-fresh. Dahil fresh start tayo dito sa ating 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Born 2001.
And grabe, parang may meaning ang pagmumukha ko doon, Coach Pancho. Pero syempre, makakasama rin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Sarah Turjman. Kamustahin rin natin si Sarah Turjman. Sarah, kamusta ka naman dyan sa sidelines?
Rowie, I'm good naman. And what's up mga kasinag? Lahat tayo masaya ngayong araw na to that this has been our opening day. Kaya handa na ba kayo?
So yun, thank you very much. That's our courtside reporter, Sarah Turjman. Siyempre, handa na nga ba kayo, superfans? Maging handa lang kayo by following our social media page. Siyempre, sa ating Facebook and Instagram, Sinag Liga Asia. Pati na rin ang ating YouTube and TikTok, Sinag Liga Asia. Kasi doon natin pinapost natin mga highlights, news, and updates natin dito sa napakabago and napakagandang liga. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, pati na rin sa Asia. And siyempre, Coach Pancho, siyempre, bago ang liga natin, let's see kung sino mga participating teams natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Yes, and makikita natin yun sa ating screen. Ito yung mga bagong participating teams natin dito. First of all, ito yung Pampanga Delta, Antipolo Pilgrims Leap. Itong Luwid 1 Kapampangan, nakakakuha lang ng panalo kanina. And Parañaque Pelicans, Hustle Rising Suns na maglalaro ngayon, makakalaban nila itong Datslav Laguna, EOZ Construction.
Siyempre, kasama rin ang NBS Slashers, LDG San Pedro, Passion Sports Elite, J Project Guangming College, and ang Batang Lakan ng Bulacan. And siyempre, Coach Pancho, ano ba ang tournament format natin dito sa ating Sinag Cup ngayon?
Yes, ang ating tournament format, of course, yung elimination round natin is single round eliminations, but top 8 teams will advance to the quarterfinals. So, ibig sabihin, dahil 11 teams tayo, 3 yung malalaglag. And then moving on sa quarterfinals, rank 1 to 4 will enjoy that twice to beat advantage. At pagdating ng semifinals, knockout game. At pagdating ng finals, winner takes all.
Wow,
Rowie.
kaya nga ngayon, first day, opening day, second game. Ano nga ba ang ating game story for our second game, Coach Pan?
Yes, ang ating game story is yung laying down the foundation. So itong Hustle Rising Suns at itong Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction, of course, they want to start the strong dito sa kanilang unang laro dito sa ating Sinag Liga Asia for
And
2001, Rowie.
And syempre, tignan natin ang roster dito ng Hustle Rising Stars as we take a look at this team na to na headed by head coach John Ross de la Cruz.
Yes, and later on, makikita natin sa screens natin, ito yung mga Hustle Rising Suns players, ha? And kita natin those are the names na talagang sa ngayon hindi pa tayo familiar, but I'm pretty sure dito yung una't huli na makikita natin itong mga players. They're being led by Coach John Ross de la Cruz.
And syempre, hindi lang dito yun sa Pilipinas, kung hindi sa Asia ang isa-showcase dito ng ating mga kalahok. Pero ngayon, let's look at naman yung makakalaban nilang roster dito ng Laguna Datslav X EOZ Construction.
Yes, and ito, of course, kanilang head coach si Coach Rolly Amonelo, and 5 familiar players ang magli-lead sa kanila dito. Itong si Lawrence Jasper Miras, itong si Mark Evans Villatema, si Harvey Roldan, itong si Marvin Mirondo, at si Russell Mercado. So sila yung magli-lead dito sa kanilang mga bagong teammates kasi lately lang to nabuo ni Coach Rolly Amonelo, itong Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, I'm very excited for our second game of today. Pero syempre, let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turchman, for her pre-game report for both teams na maglalaro ngayon. Sarah, take it away.
As per Hustle Rising Suns, I spoke to acting head coach then and / assistant coach that head coach John Ross is currently at the States, and they have been practicing for more than 4 to 5 months now, but they are well prepared and do their very best. They have been on the developmental game and more on defense and offense lang sila. And while on the Laguna Datslav X EOZ Construction, head coach Rolly said that they will perform based sa kanilang practice and run the same pattern of offense and defense. Kaya unang araw para suminag ang galing ng dalawang koponan. Let's now turn over to our arena announcer Ram Valid for our Sinag starters of the game powered by Converge.
Bayap pabengi kay kayungan Gazinag live utamo kay Cambrensi Giao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Sinag Born 2001 Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX, doble na, dinoble pa. We're also live on our FB page, Sinag Liga Asia, YouTube channel, Sinag Liga TV, Instagram, Sinag Liga Asia, and TikTok, Sinag Liga TV. Our second game for tonight and for the day one of the competition, it's the battle between Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction and your Hustle Rising Suns. And now it's time to meet the protagonists. First, for your Laguna Datslav EOZ Constructions. Point guard number 8, Lawrence Miras. Shooting guard number 11, Chester Aquino. At forward number 5, Michael Montanoza. Also at forward number 29, Russell Mercado. And center number 16, Glenn Mades. Head coach for Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction is Rolly Amonelo. Assistant coaches, Raymond Lingal, Marvin Cruz, Reggie Gutierrez, and Giancarlo. Ladies and gentlemen, your Laguna Datslav EOZ Constructions. And now it's time to meet the starters for your Hustle Rising Suns. Starting at guard number 2, Vincent Sinker. Also at guard number 25, BJ Canlas. At center number 26, Brent Loyoy. At forward number 4, John Cortez. And also at forward number 8, Karil Pastrada. Head coach for the Hustle Rising Suns is John Ross de la Cruz. Assistant coaches, Redentor Bautista, Peter Aguilar, and Luigi Tapang. Team manager, Mr. Phil Gray and Team Florendo. Your Hustle Rising Suns. Ladies and gentlemen, before the tip off, we will present the certificate of participation to the teams. And may we request the team owner or team representative to go to the center court as their team is called. First, let's have the Hustle Rising Sun, and of course, to present the certificate of participation, may we call on once again Mr. Leo Ezaak, our Chief Operation Officers. Let us read once again the content. Sinag Liga Certificate of Participation is given to That's Love Laguna EOC Construction for their unwavering support, trust, and confidence to Sinag Liga Asha on this inaugural conference, Born 2001 Cup, given this 12th day of August 2023 at Renzi Giao Convention Center, City of San Fernando, Province of Pampanga. Signed, the Chairman, Mr. Rocky Chan, President, CEO, Ray J. Alao, and Chief Operation Officer, Mr. Leo Isaac. Game officials, Dennis Iscaro, crew chief, first umpire, Erison Birds Izuga, and second umpire, Dave Maligaya. This is your Sinag Liga Asha. It's
So ito,
game
SLA fans ang
time.
ating Converge FiberX starters of the ballgame for Hustle Rising Suns. They will be starting with Vincent Sinque, Jacob Canlas, Brent Layag, Kyle Pastrama, and John Cortez. And for Datslav XEOZ Construction, they will be starting with Jasper Miras, Dudoy Aquino, Kael Pontaznoza, Russell Mercado, and Jared Madis. Again, mga ka-SLA, this is game number 2 of our opening day dito sa 2023 Sinag Liga Asha Sinag Cup Born 2001. Kami ang makakasama nyo, Rowy Sacote and Coach Pacho Alfonso. And on our sideline, si Sarah Turdman. And first bucket right off the bat here dito,
Kay Kyle.
Oh.
Kyle Pontanosa, quick transition offense kagad off the tip-off kagad to binigay ng Laguna Datslav EOC Construction.
Yes, all the way from Laguna. This is the
Yes.
Battle of North and South. Parang yung first game lang natin kanina,
Right.
Coach Pancho.
Oo. So let's see kung makakabawi dito yung yung Laguna, gaya nga namin pag-usapan yung kanina ni Enzo. Dahil nakauna na ang Pampanga. But,
This is like a redemption game naman for Laguna Datslav XAOs. Alam ko natin, different teams, pero syempre, they're also representing their places. That's a great steal and great layup there for John Cortez for Hustle Rising Suns.
yes, first basket for Hustle Rising Stars, courtesy of John Cortez. Pinakita kagad nila kung bakit Hustle Rising Suns yung pangalan team nila. Great hustle being given, and look at that.
And as you can see here, there's a foul already. I believe that's gonna be a hacking foul as we take a look at this replay right here. After that steal, rising up in the air, Vincent Sinque. And as you can see here, trying to defend that one, pero natamaan yung right hand doon ni Mikael Pontanosa.
Yes, and kita mo naman, Romeo, first play ng both teams dito, transition agad ang pinakita sa atin dito.
Grabe, and grabe talaga bakbakan. Again, born 2001 ang mga players natin dito, Coach Pancho. The next generation of players natin dito sa ating bansa. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, they will also showcase their talent sa Asia.
Yes, and they will represent, of course, our league, our country here eventually after this tournament. So that's why this is really exciting dito sa ating bagong liga, itong Sinag Liga Asia.
And ito, great defensive stop here by Miras. Lawrence Jasper Miras forcing that turnover.
Yes, and ito yung crowd ng Hustle Rising Suns, grabe by the way, kasi majority dito is from Florida
Florida
Blanca.
Blanca.
So talagang hakot na hakot nila yung mga kabalens dito at warm up pa lang, Rowie, di ba? Ang ingay na.
Nagsisigawan na agad eh. That's a traveling violation against Laguna Datslav XEOZ Construction.
Yes, and we all know naman itong mga kabalens. We take a look at Coach Rolly Amonelo, giving out some early signals here for his team. And alam naman natin mga kabalens kung paano magbigay ng suporta sa kanilang mga teams, di ba?
So trying to win their first game here in their hometown for Hustle Rising Suns. But there's a steal, but steals the ball back again. And another steal, back-to-back steals here sa ating dalawang kupunan. And there's gonna be a foul call.
Yeah, so this is expected naman dito, especially sa mga bagong teams natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Lahat yan medyo may giggle factor pa, Rowie. At yun nakikita natin dito, they're very eager to showcase, what they've got dito sa ating bagong liga. Itong 2023 Sinag Liga Asia, Sinag Cup Born 2021. That's why maraming turnovers kagad na pinakita and early offense ang binibigay ng dalawang teams na to. So far, wala pa ako napapansin dito sa mga half-court sets nila.
Yes, kasi mostly more on transition at Coach Pancho. As,
Yes.
Mikael Pontanoza sinks in that second attempt. And here comes Hustle Rising Suns.
That's right. Itong Hustle Rising Suns is, again, kakasabi ko lang kanina, majority of this is coming from mga players na Florida Blanca, Pampanga. Kasi yung training facility ng Hustle na pinangungunahan ni Coach JR De La Cruz, who is currently at Los Angeles, California. Nasa States ngayon yan. Kaya ang magtitimon ngayon is itong si Coach Redentor Bautista at si Coach Peter Aguilar.
Yes.
Na isang PBA legend. Siyempre, ang tatay ni Japet Aguilar.
Grabe. And yun nga, filling in the shoes of in the absence of head coach JR De La Cruz.
Yes.
So let's see here as there's a three-point shot there. In and out and bouncing in again. Three-point shot for Chester Aquino.
Yeah, so first outside shots connection dito para dito sa That's Love.
Yes, that's the XEOZ Construction. And eto, Pontanoza with the sidestep kick. Great shot for Mikael Pontanoza.
Yes, quick outlet, quick 5-point swing ang binigay dito ng Laguna Datslav EOC Construction. That's why animal lamang nila dito, Rowies. Medyo naging scoreless dito ang Hustle Rising Suns for the past 2 minutes.
And ito, kausap ko kanina si head coach Rolly Amonelo, Coach Pancho, dito ng head coach ng Laguna Datslav XEOZ Construction. But let's take a look at this replay first. That three-point shot there by no other than Chester Aquino, sinking that one in. And eto naman, yung layup, yung drive na to ni Mikael Pontanoza.
Yes, that's how aggressive this guy is. Talagang pag nakakita ng open driving lane, no hesitation. And that's why yun yung naging result.
Yes, eto nga, kausap ko kanina, going back to my story,
Yes.
Coach Pancho, kausap ko si head coach Rolly Amonelo. Again, Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction. Galing Laguna lahat yan, from the south. They went here sa San Fernando, Pampanga, na nasa norte.
Yes. And
It took them 6 hours, Coach Pancho, para makapunta dito sa opening day ng Sinag Liga Asia.
of course, and syempre, ganyan ka-passionate itong mga kupunan ni Coach Rolly Amonelo. And that's why ito,
Brent Layug.
nakabasket na.
Si Brent Layug naman for Hustle Rising Stars. And answering back with a shot of his own, Glenn Madis sinking that one in.
That's Jam Madis dito for Laguna Datslav EOC Construction. That was a quick answer dito after that made basket by Hustle Rising Stars. So, ganun ka-ready itong both teams. Kita mo
Yes.
naman yung energy. Very evident dito sa ating first quarter.
Both teams really wants to shine bright here sa ating Sinag Liga Asia, as that's a reverse layup miss there for Lawrence Miraz. Or correction, that was Karil Pastrana.
Yes, si Kyle.
Fakes. Great defense there.
Ang ganda sanang sidestepping move, no? Naiwanan niya yung defender niya doon, but better defense being given by Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, care of Brent Layug. Almost loses the ball. Gives it back here to John Cortez.
Yeah, so far, yung mga half-court sets nila dito, Rowie, medyo sloppy at lahat sila talagang medyo halatang-halata yung pagkagigil.
Yes, and yun yung tinatawag rin natin na first game jitters kasi bagong liga, Coach Pancho, mga kupunan mo, karamihan sa kanila hindi mo pa nakakatapat. Again, hindi lang sa Pilipinas ang mga naglalaro, ang mga maglalaro dito, kundi sa Asia rin. So, ang nanonood dito, napag-usapan namin ni Enzo kanina, naka-broadcast to sa iba't ibang channels natin, not just in the Philippines, but also sa Asia.
Yes, and soon madadagdagan pa ang ating coverage partner. So, yun ang mga dapat nilang abangan dito sa ating Sinag Liga Asia as the action continues, Rowie.
Grabe ang bakbakan dito. Parang ilang minuto na yung nakalipas bago may nakapuntos ulit dito sa dalawang kupunan natin, ha?
Yes, and a lot of attempts has been made by both teams right here. Pero, yung connections medyo mababa pa. But, they're still feeling their way in dito sa ating tournament. And halata naman sa the way they played dito, especially dito sa ating first 5 minutes. At ito na yung mga adjustments.
Yes, substitution for both teams here. And ito si John Layo, or Brent Layog rather, draws a foul after that hook shot. But he'll go to the line to shoot 2 free throws. Again, just want to acknowledge, syempre, kay Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and sa Royce Hotel. Maraming salamat sa suporta dito sa 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup natin.
Yes, thank you so much, Gov Delta Pineda and Royce Hotel.
Yes, for supporting us and welcoming us here sa Brenzigiao Convention Center, ha?
Yes, so ito, coming off an offensive rebound, they finally get a basket here for the Hustle Rising Suns. Again, talagang pinapakita nila yung kanilang name ng team, Hustle. Talagang most of their points are coming off, coming off from offensive rebounds, coming off a turnover from their opponents.
Yes, no fear, right-handed layup there for Harvey Santos. And nice defense here by Hustle Rising Stars, but great steal by Lawrence Miraz. Miraz passes it and draws a foul. Matthew Behare will go to the line to shoot 2, and that's going to be a foul call by the officials against Harvey Santos. As we take a look at this replay right now, nice bounce pass to a wide open Harvey Santos. No fear. Great time, great drive, and great shot by Hustle Rising Stars.
Yes, that was a good read of the defense ang ginawa doon for the Hustle Rising Suns that time. And that's why libreng gitna doon, a quick roll, easy basket. And as we take a look at Coach Rolly Amonelo, very serious, of course. Siyempre, first game, they want to take this one. Of course, every team wants to take the first game of the tournament.
Yes, kasi syempre it will be as your momentum starter in
Yes.
the entire league.
And alam mo ba, Rowie, kanina, finlash kanina nung first game nyo, si Lordy Casajeros,
Yes.
di ba? Alam mo ba na teammate ni Coach Rolly Amonelo yan?
Uy!
Sa Perpetual Laguna Saints. Doon nagsimula yung career din ni Lordy before siya maging UE Warriors. At magkakampi sila ni Coach Rolly Amonelo doon. Ang team nila doon, Perpetual Laguna Saints. So, ang tournament nila doon is NCAA South. So, a little bit of trivia. So, that's why kanina magkakasama kaming tatlo. Medyo kwentuhan. Yan.
Grabe. So, pwede ko ba tanongin kung anong batch yun, Coach Pancho?
Yan ang, yun ang hindi pinapasabi nila Coach Rolly Amonelo.
Bawal ba?
Pero, ang sinabi ni Lordy sa akin, rookie pa lang siya noon nung nakakampi niya si Coach Rolly. So, ayun na, yung clue.
So, batang-bata, pero that's a great shot there for Matthew Behare. And now they are enjoying a 5-point lead against Hustle Rising Stars,
Yeah,
ha?
so far, itong
Or Suns.
Tatslav EOZ Construction is on the upper hand because of they are more aggressive. And sila yung, the more attempts, the more chances of getting the buckets in. Yun yung ginagawa nila. At ito namang Hustle Rising Suns, eto, medyo nahihirapan sila. At yun na nga, natawagan ng 24 seconds violation. Good defense by Tatslav EOZ Construction.
Speaking of nahirapan, nag-24-second shot clock violation doon as we take a look, head coach Redentor Bautista, or assistant coach Redentor Bautista right now, a look of concern after that turnover.
Yeah, so si Coach Redentor Bautista ngayon muna magkita mo dito because yun nga, nasa training camp and business trip itong si Coach JR. De La Cruz.
Yes.
And, ingat kayo dyan, Coach JR. I'm sure nanonood ka. And with your loving wife, kaibigan ko yan si Coach JR. And
Yes.
mabait yan. And grabe naman yung effort na binibigay niya dito sa kanyang mga bata.
And as you can see here, oh, slithering his way through Harvey Salvador.
Yes. Harvey Salvador using his quickness right there, eluding the defenders of itong Daslab EOC Construction.
And almost
Almost
a
steal.
steal
Tama.
by Ernie Pineda. Pero 3-point shot, but a miss there for Mikael Pontanoza. Here comes Hustle Rising Star. Harvey looking. Setting up a play here. And ito, Coach Pancho, grabe. Mga bata ngayon, ang mga naglalaro sa atin ngayon ay mga born 2001. It just means mga bata pa to. Pero as you can see here, well, based sa first game natin kanina, nakita natin yung maturity ng mga players dito. Kasi again, this is organized basketball. Pero let's look at this drive of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, our official mobility partner. Kayang-kaya sa Photon and kayang-kaya yung drive na yon, says Harvey Salvador. As eto, may naitawag na timeout dito ang Hustle Rising Suns as with 2 minutes and 46 seconds remaining mga ka-SLL, ka-SLA. We'll be back after the break.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Welcome back mga kasinag dito sa Brenzy Giao Convention Center. We are live here in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. And Coach Pancho, August na. Next week, bare months na. Alam mo ba ang San Fernando City of Pampanga is the Christmas capital of the Philippines?
That's right. And kaya nga, ito, maglilipanan na naman itong mga nagsininingningan ng mga lanterns.
Oo, syempre.
Mga giant lanterns.
Grabe
Diba?
dito sa Pampanga.
Oo.
Excited ako doon.
And speaking of Pampanga, ito, may nagpapa-greet lang para kay Miss Rolyn Hernandez, supporter to ng Team Hustle. Miss Rolyn Hernandez, thank you for supporting Sinag Liga Asia and thank you for watching up. And then, pinapabati ni Miss Ange Azores ng Dugout
Yes.
University at isa sa ating mga social media partners na nandito ngayon.
Yes, maraming salamat sa mga kasinag natin who are supporting this. Since may shoutout na rin, syempre, shoutout ko na rin si John Colin Sacote at si Emma Sacote sa buong barangay ng Ago, Mambaho, Camiguin. Thank you very much sa mga kasinag fans natin who are watching this live coverage.
That's right. And nga pala, Rowie, before I forgot, gusto lang kita i-congratulate
Ano
at
yun?
yung buong pamilya mo.
Bakit naman?
Nakita ko kayo na isa sa kayo sa pinaka mayamang pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. Malay mo sa bunga siya.
Wala akong alam dyan, Coach Pancho. Hindi ba mas mayaman ng mga Alfonso?
Nakita ko sa post mo, Rowie.
Post ko doon, wala akong pinopost. Here's a foul.
Rowie Sicote.
And ito, as you can see here, that's our fast break of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon, our official mobility partner. Kayang-kaya sa Photon. And ito, sabi naman dito ni Mark Evans Villatema, kayang-kaya ko rin yung drive na yun. Parang Photon.
Yes, and Mark Evans Villatema, talagang napanood ko na rin ito maglaro and full of energy and grabe yung talents ng mga batang ito. And I'm sure marami tayong makikita ng mga Photon drive of the game because itong mga players natin dito talagang they are exploiting and they are taking advantage of their quickness, of their speed, and every time makakuha sila ng opportunity, they want to drive it hard. And no wonder, mapaparami tayo ng Photon drive of the quarter dito, Rowie.
Grabe, okay lang yan. Marami namang gas ang Photon Pero yun rin ang maganda, Coach Pancho. Again, kasi if you drive, syempre, there's a chance na makafoul ka and you can, once you get fouled, there's a chance na you can, shoot 2 free throws, score 2 points while the clock is, not ticking.
Yes, and look at this guy, Matthew Behare, talagang very active inside the shaded lane. That's why he's getting a lot of offensive rebounds and he's, eating a lot of space. Sa batang yan, tignan mo yung katawan, di ba?
Yes, and that was, a great rebound. Crashing the boards there. That rebound was a battle in the paint. He was the one who got that rebound. Nag-fake siya nun, sending the defender up in there and drawing that foul. That's a good move for Matthew Behare.
Yes. big man move dito and yun nga speed charities dito para kay Matt Bihare. At the look of the defense, di ba? Talagang may pressure agad.
And eto, wide open si Pineda on the right wing but misses.
He has a rare outside shot dito para sa Hustle Rising Suns.
Trips down. So ball went out of bounds. Ball goes to Hustle Rising Suns.
Wow, grabe. Talagang living up to their name talaga itong Hustle Rising Suns. Ha? Talagang hindi sila nauubusan ng energy at hustle. Just like this guy, the smallest guy in the court.
Harvey. Miscommunication there. Here comes Mark Villatema. Mark dives for the ball. You can see the hustle there this time naman sa That's Love EOZ. And Harvey draws a foul. That's going to be a foul on Matthew Behare.
Yes, just to stop the, possible transition offense na naman nagagawin sana ng Hustle Rising Suns. Ito, humahabol sa rito. They're down by just 4 points over the Laguna That's Love EOC Construction, Rowie.
Yes, and ito naman at the line dito kasi nasa penalty na ang Laguna That's Love EOC Construction. That's why si Harvey is at the line shooting 2 free throws and sinks in the first.
Yes, grabe itong si Harvey Salvador standing at 5'6", pero grabe yung puso at tapang nito pang hindi 5'6", ha. At 18 years old, from Florida Blanca.
Yes.
Pampanga, of course. That's why ang daming fans, ang daming hakot ng Hustle Rising Suns dito.
Siyempre, andito na sila sa lugar niya. Dali na rin nila ang fans nila. And yun nga, kanina nga, Coach Pancho, nabanggit mo during the warm-ups, yung mga kasinag fans natin dito sa Brenzingyao Convention Center, nag-iiyawan ka agad for Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, at inaantay nating ipasok yung kanilang crowd favorite, ha? Yung later na natin. Pagka pinasok, I'm sure mag-iiyawan yung mga tao dito sa loob ng Brenzingyao Convention Center para sa koponan ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Hindi natin
Pa-surprise, patakatin muna natin ating mga sinag fans.
Hindi natin sasabihin yung name, pero ang nickname niya lang, Rodman daw.
Yes,
So,
malalaman yan pagka
pumasok siya.
nasa tables committee na.
And ito, 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Pineda drives, hands it over, and shoots the ball. That's a tough finish for CJ Medina. And trailing by just 3 points here. This is a tight ball game. Mirondo gives it. Great defense. Bothering that shot there for CJ Medina. And Mark Villatema with the step back. Jay, no good. And there's going to be a foul.
Talagang itong both teams talaga very active on the floor right here. That's why yung mga usually open shots talagang na-challenge. Ang ganda ng defensive rotation. Lahat gumagalaw. But take a look at this drive
By CJ Medina.
Yes, talagang bigla siya nakakita ng open space sa gitna. Why not? Diba? High percentage shot.
Yes. There are 3 players that time. Isa lang yung tumalon, ha? So, eto, a miss. Free throw shot by Jimbris Bakti.
So lots of fouls has been given in this first quarter. That's why we are seeing a lot of free throw attempts dito. And grabe, fast pace for both fast-paced game tayo. Pinapakita ng dalawang teams kasi every possession they want to finish their offense very fast. Just like this after the press break. Look at that play.
What a layup there. Great shot by number 3. Lorico. And eto, 16 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Almost an end one play, but Jimbris Bakting will go to the line again to shoot 2 free throws. And I believe that's going to be a pushing foul call on CJ Medina.
Yeah, pangalawang foul na ni CJ Medina dito. And itong si Bakting, grabe, si Jimbris Bakting, grabe naman din yung energy nito. Talagang not giving up on every situation, on every possession. That's why another opportunity, but he misses the first free throw.
Yes, let's see if we can go 1 for 2 here. Dito sa opening day natin. Grabe, I'm very excited, Coach Pancho. Grabe ang bakbakan natin dito sa... I'm pretty sure, grabe rin talaga mga magiging games natin dito sa ating Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Born 2001. Kasi again, karamihan, born 2001, Mayroong mga 18 and up na naglalaro ngayon.
Yes,
Mga-
usually mga bracket nito, Rowie, 18 to 21.
Yes, so nakikita natin ang mga next generation of
Yes.
basketball players here in the Philippines. Oh, great defense. 3 seconds remaining.
You know, Rowie, bagay na bagay nga itong Sinag, Liga Asia. These are the rising stars.
Yes, rising stars here in the Philippines. And as you can see here, tight ball game ending the first quarter. 2 points. 2-point lead in favor of Laguna. That's the EOZ Construction. As we take a look at this first quarter highlights, Coach Pancho.
Yeah, so many drives, you know, both teams are so aggressive. That's why they're getting a lot of fouls. And kakasabi ko lang kanina, they've been getting a lot of free throw attempts. But some of those great plays being done by the both teams right here. Finally, most of them are inside points. Bihira lang tayo makita ng outside shot. Lahat sila very aggressive in driving down the lane. And lots of transition points. Gaya ng pinakita ng ating first quarter highlights, Rowie.
Yes, so grabe talaga ang bakbakan ngayon. As you can see, that last shot there by Mark Villatema. And that's the end of the first quarter. Our score 18 to 16. 2-point lead in favor of Datslav EOZ Construction against Hustle Rising Suns. So mga kasinag, magbabalik kami after this break.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Welcome back mga Kasinag fans. We are still live here in Brenzigiao Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, home of the Christmas capital of the Philippines. As this is game number 2 in our opening day dito sa napakabago and napakainit na bagong liga. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas kung hindi sa buong Asia. As we take a look at the team of Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction trailing by just 2 points against this team right here, the Hustle Rising Suns from Florida Blanca, Pampanga, trying to defend their home court here in Brenzigiao Convention Center.
Yes, it was a close first quarter, you know, lots of trading of baskets, lots of turnovers as well, and
Yes.
lots of fouls because, of course, andun nga yung binabanggit natin na paulit-ulit na mga first game jitters, you know, giggle factor. Both teams are excited to strut their wares and show their, you know, showcase their skills. But again, eto na, second quarter, eto na yung mga, mag-a-adjust na yan.
Yes,
So,
yun.
titingnan natin kung paano magiging flow ng laro natin dito, Rowie.
Yes, just like in the first quarter, Coach Pancho, yung just like in our first game earlier, doon sa game na yan, doon rin sa second quarter, nagkaroon ng run yung two teams natin. Kasi parang anong nangyari, first quarter, they were just trying to get their momentum. And then pagdating ng second quarter, nandoon na nga, nagsunod-sunod na, great defense, great offense doon sa first game natin. And parang ganito siguro yung mangyayari ngayon dito sa ating game number 2 between Hustle Rising Suns kontra dito sa Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, and both teams are so aggressive. Lots of inside points, lots of rebounds. They're actually, both teams are showing a lot of hustle. Not only the Hustle Rising Suns, but also the Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction. And majority of their points, inside points. One connection lang for Laguna for 3-point country. 0 connection para dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. And grabe, kaya medyo nawala ako doon. May bumati sa atin, nakaibigan natin si Coach Aisel Santos. Is getting
yes.
ready sa ating main game ng ating opening triple header. And
Yes.
yon si Coach Aisel, oh. Kaya
Tina.
medyo nagulat ako, may tumapik sa likod. Medyo hindi ko tuloy siya sabi ko eh.
Yes, one of the coaches dito ng Pampanga. And
Of
yun na,
course.
yun sila ang maglalaro for our main event after this game. As you can see here, great drive but too strong on that layup for
Yeah.
Mikel Pontanoza.
Yes, and there's always a challenge na binibigay. That's why we've been seeing a lot of point blank misses dito. Talagang lahat ng mga batang to, so aggressive. Talagang ginagamit nila yung energy nila.
Yes, and that's good rin kasi it just shows na there shouldn't be no easy baskets here for
Right.
your opponent. You want to contest every shot. As you can see here, breakaway lane for Mark Villatema. And yun, easy shot for Mark Villatema after that fast break opportunity for Datslav.
Specialty of the house itong si Mark Evans Villatema pagdating sa transition, automatic yan. That's why isa sa mga reliables ni Coach Rolly Amonelo yan.
Oh.
At napaka-supportive ng mga parents niya ni Mark Villatema. Kakwento ako kanina and sharing a lot of stops, basketball stories. Sabi ko nga talagang believe din ako sa mga parents ng mga batang to dahil kaya naman nagpapakita to kundi dahil sa suporta ng mga parents. Malaking bagay yun Especially if yung mga goals nila, yung plano nila is, magtuloy-tuloy sa basketball career, di ba, Rovi?
And tama naman yun. Again, it's really important na nandun ang suporta ng pamilya mo rin. As you can see here, Mark Villatema is now playing on one of the biggest stage not just in the Philippine basketball scene, but also in the basketball Asia scene.
Yes, that's right. So talagang level up na talaga tayo dito, Rovi. And you've been mentioning the word Asia. Why not, di ba? Hindi lang tayo limited dito sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao dahil eventually, that's why lots of surprises and Coach Rolly Amonelo, very, very serious coach but napakabait at napaka-humble niyang taong yan.
Yes, even though they're up by 4 points, hindi ka pwede mag-relax. This is just the second quarter and anything can still happen in this ball game.
That's right, Rovi. And ito na nga, basketball is a game of adjustments. And, game of attempts din dito. Paramihan ng attempts yan The more attempts that you make, the more chances of getting your buckets in. That's why silang lumalamang dito. Kaya lamang sila ng 4 dito. They had more attempts.
And eto naman, speaking of attempts on the defensive end, ball pressure naman ang ginawa kagad ng Datslav Javi as there's a tough shot there for Floyd Domingo.
Yes, I like that matchup, Rowie, because kanina, first quarter, puro takbuhan tayo pinakitaan. Ngayon, dito, meron post plays na binibigay itong Hassel Rising Stars. Why not? Meron silang wide-bodied na kagaya ni Floyd Domingo.
Yes.
Ano yung katawan?
Mas laki ng bata ngayon. Again, born 2001 pa lang ito, pero you can see the body. As we take a look at this replay, muscling, posting up.
Right.
That defender of Hassel Rising Stars. And eto na.
Ayan na.
Pacho, ang binanggit natin kanina, nag-cheer na ang mga kasinag fans natin inside the Presidio Convention Center. Pumasok na si Dave Oliero, ang crowd favorite dito.
Yes, at ang Dennis Rodman ng Hassel Rising Suns.
Yun na yung inaabangan natin. Kaya sila maingay kanina during the pre-game warm-up,
Ganda ng footwork doon. Yun nga lang, hindi lang nakapitalize yung pag-drive niya doon underneath.
Yes, ni Floyd Domingo.
Pero he's showing a lot of big man moves dito. But speaking of big man moves, inside move naman ang pinakita ni Russell Mercado doon.
And ito, Russell Mercado on the defensive end naman, getting that steal, getting that assist. This time, passing the ball and making Mikel Fontanoza's life easy.
Yes, that's the energy that Russell Mercado can bring dito para kay Coach Rolly Amonelo sa Datslav EOC Construction. Kita mo naman, from offense to defense quickly.
And ito, Floyd Domingo draws a foul. Nakita mo, Coach Pacho, yung match-up ng big man ngayon dito ng dalawang teams natin. Sila ang nagpapalitan ngayon.
And it is very rare, yung mga ganun, mga inside moves, lalo sa low post.
As you can see, that no-look pass, great dive inside to Russell Mercado. And after that shot by Russell Mercado, gets the seal, gets the pass. An easy bucket for Mikel Fontanoza. Quick 4 points for Laguna Datslav EOC Construction.
Yes, and that was because of that, moral boosting basket na binigay na kay Floyd Domingo. Kaya naman, nakapag-hustle agad siya ron, nakakuha siya ng steal. Ganun ang energy. Diba?
And eto.
Hey, Russell Mercado, that's right, Robbie.
Russell Mercado. Floyd Domingo at the line.
Floyd Domingo at the line, tama.
Sinks in the first. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2. No good, but there's a whistle by the officials. That's gonna be over the back foul, I think. That's gonna be a foul on Dave Santos. Eto, Coach Pancho, naririnig natin yung mga kasinag fans natin right now dito sa Presidio Convention Center, cheering for Hassel Rising Suns.
Yes.
Another great pass, but couldn't convert. Almost an end one, but he'll go into the line to shoot 2 free throws for Glenn Madis.
Ang ganda ng pagkakasetup doon, ang ganda ng formation, late recover yung Hassel Rising Suns doon. Kaya naman itong si Ja Madis is nakakuha ng foul doon.
Yes, and eto, Coach Pancho. What I'm expecting dito sa ating 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup. Syempre, all of the players right now wants to, shine the brightest dito sa league na to. Kasi again, born 2001, these players can earn their scholarship rin. And sa mga iba naman, syempre, players na rin dito sa mga UAAP, NCAA right now. And yung iba naman dito are vying for a spot sa mga ibang top colleges dito sa Pilipinas.
That's right. That's why ito mas exciting itong Born 2001 Sinag Cup natin because majority of these players na nakita ko sa lineup ng 11 teams na participating in the Sinag Liga Asia inaugural season, may mga experience na to. Nakapaglaro na ng mga organized basketball. So, hahaluan mo ng mga, from grassroots level na gusto magpakitang gilas, magandang kombinasyon yan. A lot of learnings and experience.
And yes, yun nga, nakita kagad natin, even though born 2001, you can see the maturity, the basketball IQ of this young players right here. As that's a great layup for Harvey Salvador.
Yes, that's how you can finish the basket. No hesitation drive ang binibigay and almost a steal.
Yes, and Neto Mercado thought about it,
Yes.
but great dime, extra pass to Mark Villatema for 3!
He has that shot. Yun nga lang, na-bother siya doon dahil nga sa challenge na binibigay ng Hustle Rising Stars.
Nakita natin, Coach Pancho, all
Rising
players.
Stars, rather. Yes.
All players running on both ends. More on transition offense ang pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan natin. Who almost loses the ball there. Muscling his way through. Missed that time. Pinapik ang bola. Naitapik ulit. Oh, a steal by Mikhail. Mikhail, oh, what a move! But in and out
sayang.
for Mikhail Pontanoza. Oh, ito. Nakita ng dalawang kupunan dito ng both teams, ha?
Players are down here. And ito, umiinit na ang aksyon dito sa ating second quarter, Rowie. And 6 minutes pa ang nalalabi dito sa ating first half.
Oo, nagkakainitan kaagad ang dalawang kupunan natin. Parang kasing init ng sinag ng araw, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
And ito, nakikita natin, inbound. Oh, great ball pressure by Datslav EOZ Construction. But Harvey behind the back, fakes, takes, and in and out for
But look at
Dave
this guy,
Oliero.
the smallest guy in the court,
Oh!
keeping the ball alive.
Oh, but in and out again, this time for Harvey.
Again, another offensive rebound. Ito yung Dennis Rodman ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes,
Getting
grabe.
that rebound, keeping the ball alive once more. Talagang pinapakita ng Hustle Rising Suns yung hustle nila dito sa larong to.
Living up to their name, Hustle Rising Suns. Grabe, Hustle is nandun, kita-kita yung Hustle and getting that rebound, rising against the Datslav EOZ Construction players. And eto grabe na ang pisikal ng Coach Pancho.
Yes, look at the semi-line formation dito ng Hustle Rising Suns sa kanilang inbound play.
Oh,
So, we'll see if...
good awareness by our officials, noticing na nasa penalty na ang Datslav EOZ Construction, That's why ito, ang crowd favorite na si Dave Oliero, o tinatawag nila ang Rodman, as we take a look yung mga Kasinag fans natin dito inside the Presidio Convention Center.
Grabe.
Hawak pa yung number niya,
Oo.
may poster pa, ay may tarpaulin pa siya.
That's right. So, ito na. Pag na-shoot to, sigurado ako hiyawan, Rowie.
Yes, let's see. Ayun na nga. Inaangat yung poster or tarpaulin dito ni Dave Oliero.
And yung mga sinag fans natin, and they are all rising after that free throw.
Grabe, crowd favorite here. And grabe for Laguna, Datslav EOZ Construction. They are up by 6 points. Even though they traveled 6 hours to get here in Resigio Convention Center. Oh! What a great pass! And what a great shot to the crowd favorite, Dave Oliero.
That's right. That's why the crowd is now going wild right there. Very patient play, unselfish. That was courtesy of that great dime.
Yes, our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge FiberX. Noble na, dinoble pa. Great setup there by Harvey Salvador to Dave Rodman Oliero. And that's why the crowd of dito sa Brenzy Kiao Convention Center are up on their feet as may timeout break tayo dito. Our score 27-23 with 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here in the second quarter.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis.
J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back mga Kasinag fans dito sa 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Born 2001. This is the second game of our opening day and this is just the second quarter. Oh, backcourt violation already against Datslav EOZ Construction. Coach Pancho, after a timeout, huh?
That's right. So great defensive adjustment ang ginagawa dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. That's why unti-unti na sila nakakahabol. And yun ang nakakabanggit mo lang, after timeout, they forced another turnover. So it means another opportunity for them to trim down the lead.
Yes, and eto, let's see as Harvey, dancing with his defender, but that was a turnover after those crossovers as Aquino shoots a three! It's good for Chester Aquino!
Yes, that's the second conversion from the Rainbow Land para dito sa Datslav Construction.
Great defensive end there for Glenn Madis pulling the chair. And another big man move with that hook shot. Easy basket for Brent Layog.
Yes, Brent Layog, using his length that time.
Yes, Brent Layog, 6'4", all the way from Florida Blanca, age 20, ah.
Yes, but look at this guy, his number 17, si Harvey Salvador. He's been leading his team dito, not only in scoring, he's been creating a lot of situations. But again, look at the hustle, but he was over-traveled.
Yes.
Then hindi tumama.
Kasi hindi tumama yung bola and then tumalon pa siya.
Yes.
That was not a travel na nga, that was an expedition eh. Or, let's see, as there's gonna be a substitution as pinasok dito ni head coach Rolly Amonelo, si Matthew Behare.
Yes. Look at this 2-2-1 formation. Trapping defense na binibigay ng Hustle Rising Suns dito para sa Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, and ito Coach Pancho, let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turchman, for her second quarter report. Sarah?
As per Hustle Rising Suns, Florida Blanca assistant coach then says that they execute plays and defense and rest assured that all their players will give their very best para may panalo ang game ngayong gabi. Also on Laguna, Datslav x EOZ Construction, assistant coach Marvin sabi niya sana consistent at tuloy-tuloy na ang kanilang paglamang laban sa kalaban. They aim on good defense at madali na ang offense dahil to follow na lang yon. Tuloy pa din ang pagsunod sa game plan para mailaban at suminag ang kanilang panalo ngayong gabi. Rowie, Coach Pancho.
Thank you very much to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turchman, for that second quarter report.
Yes, and that's what Hustle Rising Suns are doing right now. They are forcing a lot of turnovers. They've been forcing a lot of missed shots dito para sa Datslav EOZ Construction. That's why unti-unti na sila nakakahabol. Tatlo na lang dito, but there was a whistle.
Yes, against Brent Layog, and he was not happy with that call, as you can see here. The coaching staff of Laguna, Datslav EOZ Construction, instructing their players. As eto, nasa free throw line si Matthew Behare. Again, Matthew Behare has already, I think, 3 or 4, or, went to the charity stripe like 3 or 4 times already here in this ball game.
Yes, he's been getting a lot of fouls because, because of his a lot of inside moves. And yung depensa kasi nung Hustle Rising Suns has the tendency to, get aggressive, to be more aggressive, but sometimes too much, kaya natatawagan ng fouls.
Yes, and eto, but sumablay yung free throw doon ni Matthew Behare. Matthew Behare who's standing at 6 flat. Age 21, all the way from San Pablo, Laguna. Already here inside the Brenzy Convention Center. Asmiras. Oh, great defense there. Dives for the ball, but ball stays with Latslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, but look at that. John Cortez, the number 4 of Hassel Rising Suns, providing that, toughness and hassle once again.
Yes.
But the Datslav EOZ Construction will, keep the possession here. 20 seconds remaining.
Yes. John Cortez from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Oh, great block by Brent Layug.
Yes, Brent Layug, again, using his wingspan right there. Ang haba ng galamay. Oh, almost a travel doon.
Yes. Pero Lopez gives it to Cortez. Cortez. Too many dribbles here for Hassel Rising Suns.
Great defensive recovery dito ng
Datslav
EOZ Construction. That's why, ito,
forcing that 24-second shot clock violation. I would like to say na magandang depensa ng Datslav EOZ Construction, but primarily that's Hassel Rising Suns committed that turnover because there were too many dribble moves there, Coach Pancho.
Yes, and that's why kita mo naman yung depensa binigay ng yung Datslav EOZ Construction na lahat doon single coverage, walang help defense doon.
And great defensive end. Sino pa nga ba? Again by Brent Layug, bothering shots left and right.
Yes, grabe naman kasi ang haba nung galamay talaga, may kitang-kita mo dito kahit nakababa yung dalawang shoulders niya. Parang abot yung tuhod effortless
Brent Layug, the 6'4 center of Hassel Rising Stars. Again, 20 years old pa lang Coach Pancho.
Yes.
And diving for the ball there, kakabagit lang. Brent Layug again, saves the ball. Lopez. Harold gives it. Posting up. Harvey Santos posing up.
May double team.
Yes, that's a 3-point shot in and out for David Alfaro. 1 minute and 44 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Shoots a three. Nothing. Oh, that was a long two-pointer there for Lawrence. Jasper Miras, he stepped on the line there. That's why our official called it a long two.
Yes, kung hindi stepping yun, pangatlong 3-pointers na sana dito ng Datslav EOZ Construction. Ito namang Hassel Rising Suns, wala pa silang conversion from the 3-point area.
Grabe.
So yun yung nakikita ko so far na weakness ng dalawang teams na to, yung kanilang outside shooting. But yung strengths naman nila, ito, transition tsaka inside points.
Yes, most of the points of these two teams right now are either transition or free throw so far.
And again, ito na naman si Behare na naman, nakakuha na naman ng offensive rebound. Ito si Matt para sa Laguna Datslav.
Yes, crashing the board and great perimeter jumper here for RJ.
Si RJ Pansoy.
Yes. And eto, 43 seconds remaining. Posting up. Knows the mismatch. Draws a foul. But John Cortez misses. But he'll go to the charity stripe to shoot 2 shots. As we take a look at this replay right now, Coach Pancho stops, shoots our shot of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Finn and Cotton moves with you. Great 3-point shot there for John Cortez. Or correction. That was for Datslav EOZ Construction, Coach Pancho.
That's right. Ito si John Cortez is on the line right now for the Hassel Rising Suns. And kaya siya nandito sa free throw area because he forced the issue that time. Dahil broken play, wala silang makitang half-court sets, hindi sila makapag-execute. But because of his aggressiveness, nakakuha siya ng foul dito. And 2 for 2 for him.
Yes, perfect at the line there for John Cortez. And now trailing by 6 points, Oh, great steal. Fighting for the possession, but ball goes to Hassel Rising Suns. Another great defensive performance here by the team from Florida Blanca.
That's right. They've been forcing a lot of turnovers din dito for the Datslav EOZ Construction. But the reason why lamang pa rin dito yung Datslav over the Hassel Rising Suns despite of the turnover disparity, hindi kasi nila nakakapitalize. Hindi sila nakaka-convert ng basket.
Yes.
So what they need to improve is, yung conversion naman.
Or in shot selection rin.
And decision making.
Yes.
Yeah.
So those are the things that they need to improve on, as John Cortez turns the ball over and wasn't happy with that call. And eto, napatawag ng timeout si head coach Rolly Amonelo ng Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction as they are up by 6 points with 5 seconds remaining. It just shows, and calls the timeout, it just shows na they really want to end the first half with a bang. And yan ang score natin, 35-29 with 5 seconds remaining. So mga kasinag, we'll be back after the break.
Growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Welcome back mga Kasinag fans. We are still live here inside the Brenzigya Convention Center here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga for our opening day game number 2 of the brand new and heated basketball league here not just in the Philippines but also in Asia, the 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup for 2001. Pero ito, 5 seconds remaining in the first half. Let's see if we're gonna play ni head coach Rolly Amonelo, but no good, and throws the ball. That is the end of the first half. Our score 35-29 in favor of the away team, Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, and we saw a lot of aggressiveness for both teams. We saw a lot of transition points. We saw a lot of free throw attempts. We saw a lot of fouls. And ito yung naging tema ng ating first half. That's why as we take a look at those second quarter highlights, Rowie.
Yes, dito sa ating first half, as you can see here, Hustle Rising Suns are down by 6 points against the visiting team, Datslav EOZ Construction. And yun nga, more on turnovers committed dito ng Hustle Rising Suns.
That's right. Oh, and yun na nga, a lot of drive. Yan, gaya ng mga pinapakita natin dito mga highlights. But itong Datslav Laguna EOZ Construction has a lot of conversion of the turnovers. And they've been getting a lot of, they have more rebounds. They have more chances, and they're capitalizing on the miscues of Hustle Rising Suns. But 6 lang ang lamang after the first half, Robbie.
Yes, at the end of the first half, our score 35-29, 6-point lead in favor of Datslav EOZ Construction against Hustle Rising Suns. So mga Kasinag, we will have a halftime break. We'll be back after these messages.
Time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! Get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a Game Changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
And we're back here para sa Sinag Liga Asia Halftime Report, powered by Converge. With our special guest from Laguna, Datslav X EOZ Construction, their team manager, Aldrin Lavinia. Good evening, sir. Sir, ano pong preparation nyo? Bakit ganyan kaganda ang tinakbo ng laro nyo ngayong gabi?
Actually, sa preparation, araw-araw lang kami nagpa-practice, training, and mahalaga yung strength and conditioning ng mga bata.
Sir, anong adjustment nyo this coming second half? Same game plan pa din po ba?
Yes, same game plan pa rin. Maganda naman pinapakita ng mga bata. So, as long as okay, lamang, hindi nakakahabol kalaban, saka lang siguro kami magpapalit.
Alam ko, Sir Aldrin, marami kang gustong pasalamatan at batiin.
Ay, oo, marami. Yung mga family namin sa Laguna, Santa Cruz, Lavinia family, Buong Galing family, Suerte family here in Mabalacat. Hi, kamusta?
Maraming salamat, Sir Aldrin from Laguna. That's Love X EOZ Construction. Back to you, Rowie and Coach Pancho.
Thank you very much for that halftime interview by our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman. So yun nga mga kasinag, again, this is our second game for our opening day as Datslav Jav, or during the halftime, our score 35-29, 6-point lead in favor of Datslav EOZ Construction kontra Hassel Rising Suns. And syempre, a good evening to sa lahat ng mga kasinag natin who are watching this live coverage. Nagbabalik ulit ang inyong mga anchors, Rowie Sacote and Coach Pancho Alfonso. Coach Pancho, grabe ang bakbakan ngayon pero lamang ang Datslav EOZ by 6 points kontra sa Hassel Rising Suns. Ano yung naging edge dito ng Datslav EOZ against sa Hassel Rising Suns?
Yes, ang naging edge dito ng Datslav Laguna EOZ Construction is they got more energy and they got more conversions. So they both teams are actually forcing a lot of turnovers for each one of them. But again, itong Laguna Datslav Construction, they have the edge pagdating sa conversions, yung points from turnovers, they are more aggressive sa rebounds, and they got more steals that led to a lot of transition points, just like that.
Yes, as we take a look at this first half highlights natin dito sa ating game number 2 dito sa 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup. Again, both teams are at it pero yun nga, mas nakaka-convert lang ngayon ang Datslav EOZ Construction compared dito sa Hassel Rising Suns. That's why they are up by 6 points. So, Hassel Rising Suns really needs to adjust yun nga, yung decision making, yung kanilang shot selection dito coming into the second half. Coach Pancho?
Yes, that's right. So those are the things that they need to improve, especially dito sa itong upcoming second half because this is the winning time. Itong third quarter, this is the quarter that dictates a lot of games, especially pag close ball game. Ito yung quarter na dapat magbigay sa kanila ng momentum, especially heading to the fourth quarter. So ito, malalaman natin yan in a few minutes.
Let's look at this halftime stats naman, powered to you by Converge FiberX.
Look at those field goal percentage, how close they are, 38 and 36% for both teams. But again, yung assist departments, ang laki. +9 dito ang Datslav EOZ Construction. And sa steals, lamang sila ng isa. And yung bench points, doon naman sa Hassel Rising Suns because they've been giving a lot of fresh legs, a lot of chances sa kanilang roster.
So grabe yung ball rotation ng Datslav EOZ Construction compared to Hassel Rising Suns. That's why they are up by 6 points, Coach Pancho. And yun nga, let's see kung sino nga ba ang ating player highlights dito sa ating first half na siya ang biglang shine the brightest during the first half.
Yes, and eto, kita natin, a lot of points dito for Kyle Pontanesa. 7 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, and majority of his points sa transition because he's been leaking out for every opportunity. He's been the recipient of a lot of quick outlet and yung kanyang defensive tenacity nandun pa rin yung mga teammates niya. That's why suking-suki pagdating sa fast break. Ito si Kyle Pontanesa.
That's why now, ito ang ating mga leading scores for Hassel Rising Suns. Harvey Salvador and Brett Nayo with 5 points. John Cortez with 4. Dave Oliero Rodman with 3 points. And for Datslav EOZ Construction, Kael Noza has 7. Chester Aquino with 6. Jared Madiz with 5. And Jasper Miraz with 4. So again, mga kasinag or SLA fans, this is the start of the third quarter here in game number 2 in our opening day of the 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup, born 2001. Let's see if anong gagawin dito ng Hassel Rising Suns to bounce back here in this ball game. And syempre, mga ating mga kasinag. Don't forget to follow our TikTok and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sinag Liga Asia, para at least updated kayo sa mga games, sa mga coverages, at sa mga highlights natin. Pati na rin, follow our social media on Facebook and on Instagram, Sinag Liga Asia, para at least makita nyo mga news, updates, scores, and mga future announcement natin dito sa Sinag Liga Asia. Again, this isn't just a basketball league dito lang sa Pilipinas, but this is a basketball league na covered rin ang buong Asia, Coach Pancho.
Yes, so a new league, a new avenue for those aspiring players dito, like itong mga born 2001 na players natin dito. So another venue for them to showcase their skills, their talents, and bringing them to new heights. So that's why we are very, very excited dito sa ating Sinag Liga Asia.
Yes, knowing that not just hindi mo lang siya showcase ang skills and talents mo dito lang sa Pilipinas, kung hindi sa buong Asia, the pressure is gonna be on these players right now who are participating dito sa first ever Born 2001 Sinag Cup natin dito sa SLA. So the pressure is on them kasi this is one of the biggest stage in Philippine or basketball history here in the Philippines. Kasi again, Born 2001, you already have the media, yung mga Kasinag fans natin watching not just here in the Philippines but also in Asia.
Yes,
Again,
the exposure na binibigay nitong Sinag Liga Asia dito for this, very fortunate 2001 up players natin dito. And that's why, nasa sa kanila na yan if how will they maximize and take advantage of these opportunities that are given to them.
Yes, it's either you make or break talaga. You're not just playing for your team, not just playing for your place. Like for example, for Hustle Rising Suns, they're playing for Pampanga, and for Datslav EOZ Construction, they're playing for Laguna. They're also playing for their future.
Yes, and speaking of future, eto na yung mga future players. And kanina, pinag-uusapan natin yung mga adjustments na kailangan gawin ng Hustle Rising Suns. Kanina, to start the third quarter, nagpakita kagad ng double teaming defense dito that forced another turnover dito. But eto, transition points na naman sila. Back-to-back transition points for Hustle Rising Suns dito.
Yes, care of Harvey Salvador, and now they are quick 4 points already.
Yes.
For Hustle Rising Suns, as there's a miss there, and rebound by the Gray Shirts.
Yes, tignan mo naman yung energy dito sa second half ng Hustle Rising Suns dito. Kitang-kita yung kanilang gigil sa depensa dito that, gave them that 4-0 run to start the third quarter. Kaya they're only down by 2, Rowie.
Yes, an easy 4-point play kagad doon kay Harvey Salvador. He now has 9 points in the ball game.
Yes, look at the defensive adjustment.
Oh!
Another turnover, almost.
Almost yun kung hindi lang narangan ni Behare yun si Canlas.
Yes, so that there was a clear bump dito na binigay ni PJ Canlas.
Oh, that's his second personal foul here in this ball game. As there's going to be a substitution as ipapasok dito ni head coach Rolly Amonelo, si Mark Villatema. Papahinga niya muna dito si RJ Pansoy. Oh, there's a warning for number 25 here. I believe that's going to be on Hustle Rising Suns.
On si BJ Canlas, yung na-warningan doon. But, early adjustment, nakakita kagad ng mismatch disadvantage doon. Kaya naman binalik agad si Mark Villatema dito for the Datslav EOZ Constructions.
Yes.
With only 1 minute and 30 seconds gone by.
In the third quarter,
Quick substitution agad.
And grabe na naman kasi, head coach Rolly Amonelo really needs the production of Mark Villatema. Kasi again, grabe, Harvey Salvador, imagine, quick 4 points kagad yun, kakastart pa lang ng third quarter. As you can see there,
backdoor play.
Right on cue, Harvey Salvador, great time by VJ Canlas. That's a guard connection there for Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes. So ito, deadlock.
Yes, I believe.
This is our second deadlock of our ball game. And again, the hustle by the Rising Suns.
As good hustle there. And miss. And ball goes to Datslav EOZ Construction. Buddy is looking, finding his teammate, finds Mark Villatema. Thought about it, kicks it to Jasper Miraz. Miraz, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Miraz bounces it. Oh, passes it to Mark Villatema, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Great block!
Wow, again, by that guy using his long arms.
Yes, oh, no easy baskets. That ball is live right now.
Yes. Credit to the defense of Brent Layo.
Oh, what a great fake and great dive from Jean Brent Layug. Oh
Now,
my!
and don't look now. Rowie, lamang na ang Hustle Rising Suns dito.
As we take a look at this power play of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng Converge Fiber X. Great fake by Brent Layug and great pass to VJ Canlas. And because of that power play, Coach Pancho, lamang na ang Hustle Rising Suns ng 2 points with 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining here in the third quarter.
Clothing shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back mga kasinag dito. Again, this is the third quarter with 7 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Lamang na ang Hustle Rising Suns as eto, steal kaagad by Ernie Pineda. That's gonna be good.
It's a 10-0 run dito ng Hustle Rising Suns that kept the Laguna Daslab EOC Construction scoreless in this third quarter.
Offensive rebound and
Still
no
nothing.
good. Yes, by Matthew Behare. Oh, great pass, extra pass, Matthew Behare.
Oh, wow. Look at that challenge.
Yes.
Grabe. And the energy of this Hustle Rising Suns, you know,
And then-
elevating their play, you know, looking for the right line, high percentage shot, and 12-0 run, Rowie.
Oh my, what a great display of defense and offense here for Hustle Rising Suns at the start of the third quarter. Oh, I thought that was all leather, but our officials got a better angle. That's why Brent Layug was called for a foul there. As we take a look at this replay right here, Coach Pancho, Ernie Pineda.
Wow, high-octane defense being given, being shown by Hustle Rising Suns to start this third quarter. Wow.
Yes, and again, back-to-back shots for Ernie Pineda. Siya ang naging sinag dito, sparking the fire here for Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, you know, imagine it all started with their defense, you know, erupting with those 12 fast break points, you know, grabe, sa depensa talaga nagsisimula, and that's why ito, lamang na sila rito, and counting.
Ernie Pineda, takeover mode here in the third quarter. Just want to let you know, Coach Pancho, Ernie Pineda during the first half only played, imagine mo, 3 minutes and 47 seconds for the first half. Third quarter, look at this drive right here. Suave layup by Ernie Pineda. Takeover mode by this kid right here. Oh my.
A defensive meltdown dito for Daslab EOC Construction. Ang luwang nung driving lane doon. That's why he took advantage of the runway.
Oh, and
finally,
yes, finally a shot here. This time for Mikael Pontanoza. The first bucket, I believe.
you know, it took them 4 minutes and 13 seconds to be exact to get their first bucket of this third quarter. Look at that.
First field goal here for Daslab EOC Construction in the third quarter.
Oh, thank Kyle Pontanoza with that basket, finally ending the drought here. Pero hindi niya nakompleto yung 3-point play.
So eto lamang na ng 5 kaagad ang Hustle Rising Suns. Ernie Pineda again! Oh, but this time he misses. Nag-uze na yung mga Kasinag fans natin dito. Oh, blocked by Brent Layug.
Oh, look at the transition defense that time by the Hustle Rising Suns and the acrobatic extended layup by BJ Canlas.
Yes, BJ Canlas. Oh my. Grabe ang hustle dito ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Talagang they're living up to their name. Look at the swarming defense. All of them are moving.
Look at this fast break of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Photon. Kayang-kaya sa Photon. Our official mobility partner. What a great reverse suave layup for BJ.
And another turnover being forced by Hustle Rising Suns here.
Sino pa nga ba? Ernie Canlas. Almost an end one play, but he'll go to the charity stripe to shoot 2 free throws. Oh my goodness, this kid right here, Ernie Canlas.
Yeah, it's Ernie Pineda actually.
Or Ernie Pineda, sorry, nalito na ako kasi
BJ Canlas.
BJ Canlas, Ernie Pineda. And nakita ko si Ernie Pineda after that foul. Once he got up, he was asking for a substitution.
Yeah. Okay lang yun, Rowie. Talagang nami-mix up natin yan. But kasi, di natin kita masisisi. Because si BJ Canlas at itong si Ernie Pineda, they are teaming up and carrying this Hustle Rising Suns into a different level in this third quarter. Nasa midway pa lang tayo, but their energy, wow, what a great showcase of defensive prowess and lots of offensive baskets ang nagiging resulta tuloy nun.
Oh, pero 0-4-2 lang doon si Ernie Pineda. As you can see, well, looks at me, feel ko parang napagod na si Ernie Pineda after those plays. Pero ito, tumatakbo pa rin.
Pero mukhang hindi, Rowie.
BJ! Oh! Hits the board there.
He lost the control of the ball that time. Pero sayang. That was a great attempt dito
for VJ Canlas. However, you can see the disappointment of VJ Canlas after that missed layup. As you can see there, assistant coach Redentor Bautista not happy with that play. Actually, that was a wide open layup kasi for VJ Canlas eh.
Yes, I'm sure sinasabi ni Coach Redentor Bautista Rod, dalawa kayo doon, you already attracted the defense, you can opted for that extra pass din sa kakampi niya kanina, di ba?
And ito, nasa penalty na ang Hustle Rising Suns. That's why nasa free throw line dito si Lawrence Jasper Miras.
Yes. This is where, itong Datslav EOZ construction can take advantage of that. Yung penalty situation ng Hustle Rising Suns, of course, hindi na magiging agresibo sa depensa itong mga to. And they should attack the basket more so they can get a lot of free throw attempts.
And yes, from downtown, David Alfaro.
You know what? That is their first connection from the three-point area. And what a time to come, Rowie, for the Hustle Rising Suns.
Increasing their lead to a double-digit lead here. As you can see here, nice pass. Pero may extra pass pa. That's our power play of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng Converge FiberX. Doble na, dinoble pa.
That's right.
Yes, what a great unselfish basketball there. That's why David Alfaro left wide open for 3. Kung doble na, dinoble pa, tin-replay naman doon ni David Alfaro.
Oh, sneaky play that time. Muntik na pumasok.
And here comes Datslav EOZ construction. Fakes.
Look
Takes
at the defense.
Another great defensive stop by Brent Layug bothering that shot.
Ang bilis nilang makarecover doon. Ang bilis nilang bumaba sa depensa. All along, akala ko may advantage na itong Laguna Datslav EOZ construction on that fast break opportunity.
Yes.
But again, a great stop by Hustle Rising Suns.
Living up to their name again, hustling their way. That's why they are up by 10 points rather.
Wow, double digit na ang lamang, ha?
Yes, 10 points ang lamang dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. With 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining here in the third quarter.
Yes, and what's great about the Hustle Rising Suns, we have a well-balanced attack. Walang isang player na talagang nagli-lead. Meron o sa depensa, but on the other end, all of them are contributing.
Yes, and eto, Coach Pancho, we have a third quarter report sa ating courtside reporter, Sarah Turgeman. Sarah, take it away.
As per Laguna Datslav X EOZ Construction, Coach Rolly said na medyo kailangan nila ng adjustment para sa defense and medyo nawawala na sila dahil lumalamig ang kanilang laro. Kaya gagawin nila ang lahat para mapainit gaya ng sinag ng araw ang kanilang laro ngayong gabi. Rowie, Coach Pancho.
Thank you very much for that third quarter report by our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgman. And eto, syempre, batiin naman natin ang mga Kasinag fans natin who are watching our live coverage on Facebook.
Yes.
Shoutout kay Joen Ervin Soto, kay Lel Page DM, kay Cecil Estopase, Salve Awa, and kay Andrea Juanites. Again, maraming salamat sa mga Kasinag fans natin watching on Facebook Live. And at the same time, syempre, live rin tayo sa ating YouTube channel.
Yes, thank you so much sa ating mga Sinag fans who are watching us from all of our social media, outlets right here, and thank you for supporting. And this is just our first day, our opening triple header. This is our second game between the Hustle Rising Suns over the Laguna Daslao VUC Construction. We've been treated with a lot of great games. Ang ganda ng first game nyo kanina ni Enzo. Close ball game, but again,
back-to-back three-point shots by David Alfaro. David Alfaro during the first half, 0 for 3 from the field. Right now, 2 for 2 from the three-point territory, Coach Pancho.
yes, and all of the three-point shots being connected by the Hustle Rising Suns, courtesy of David Alfaro.
And yun, but a miss there, and clearly there was a push. Good call by the officials there. There was a push there by Harvey Santos. That's his third personal foul. As you can see here, on our replay, that's our shot of the game. Hatid sa inyo ng Finn Cotton, moves with you, and that three-point shot from downtown, no other than David Alfaro.
Wow, waxing hot dito sa ating third quarter, and David Alfaro, what a time to come for the Hustle Rising Suns to, get those outside shots. Kasi nung first half, talagang wala silang connection from that area.
And ito, napatawag ng timeout si Assistant Coach Redentor Bautista of Hustle Rising Suns as they want to talk it over, even though they're up by like 12 points. No, they want, tuloy na pag-usapan ko na magiging next play nila. Pero we have a timeout break. Our score, 51-39. We'll be back after the break.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge FiberX Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge FiberX Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa.
Welcome back mga Kasinag dito sa ating 2023 SLA Sinag Cup Born 2001. We are still live inside the amazing Brenzy Giao Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Grabe, Coach Pacho, dumadami na ang superfans dito. Pero during that third quarter, this guy right here, siya ang naging sinag dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. Walang iba kundi si David Alfaro with those back-to-back three-point shots, igniting the fire here for Hustle Rising Suns. That's why this is the biggest lead of the ball game for Hustle Rising Suns.
That's right, Rowie. They're limiting this Laguna Daslao VUC Construction just 5 points dito in this third quarter with only 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. A strong third quarter at hindi pa tayo tapos.
Yes. Grabe, lamang ng 6 points coming into the third quarter. Ang Daslao EOZ. Ngayon, they're trailing by 11. And that's a miss. They're fighting for that board here.
Eh, tignan mo yung depensa ng Laguna Daslao VUC Construction. Nag-extend na kay David Alfaro.
Nice pass inside, bothering that shot, but better offense there for Jibrix Bakting.
Yes, finally, high percentage shots dito, inside points dito for the Laguna Daslao VUC Construction after being silenced, for about 3 minutes in this ball game.
You can see here a play there for Hustle Rising Suns, but great defense bothering that shot.
Again, it's their hustle once again that tries to keep the ball alive, but eventually it's a turnover.
Yes.
Pero kita mo naman yung galaw din nila, no? Talagang hindi sila nawawalan ng movement.
Yes, as we take a look at this assist of the quarter, hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform, the official outfitter of Sinag Liga, Asia.
That's what they need to do more in this third quarter in order for them to make a comeback. But turnover sa kanila dito, hindi makakatulong yon, especially if you're down by 9 points.
Yes, here, as you can see, head coach Rolly Amonelo not happy with that recent play, especially when they committed that turnover. Again, kailangan dito ng Datslav EOZ Construction. They need to, improve their defense and at the same time convert those baskets. As yun nga, at the same time limit their turnovers.
Yes, again, back-to-back turnovers yun for Datslav EOZ Construction. So it will not gonna cost their, their goal in making a comeback here, especially at the end of this third quarter with only 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining.
Yes, up by 9 points as David Alfaro thought about it.
Yes,
Sumablay na kanina si David
na
Alfaro.
yung depensa para kay Dave Alfaro.
Oo, ito David Alfaro. Yun ang umaangat na depensa compared sa kanina Coach Pancho.
At kaya naman sila inaatake ngayon.
Oh, there's gonna be a foul call. I believe that's gonna be on Floyd Domingo, the big guy of Hustle Rising Suns. That's his second personal foul, and again, Hustle Rising Suns are already in the penalty. That's why nandito si Jimbrix Bakting to shoot 2 free throws. Meanwhile, for Datslav EOZ Construction, they only committed 1 team foul during the third quarter. Pero they're the one who's trailing.
Yes, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na dapat ito yung tinitake advantage ng Datslav EOZ Construction. Itong pagkakaroon ng penalty ng Hustle Rising Suns. Kanina pa penalty yan, but hindi sila masyadong umatake sa loob. They are not forcing a lot of inside shots. At hindi sila nakakonvert ng free throw.
Yes, as you can see here, Hustle Rising Suns, as eto, pumasok na si Harvey Salvador. One of the key players here ni Assistant Coach Redentor Bautista. Harvey is driving, gives it in the middle, and that's a good bucket there for Dave Santos.
Yes. So back to double-digit lead dito for the Hustle Rising Suns.
Inside pass. Oh, 2-man defense there, bothering that shot, but better offense this time for Renz Conde.
Yes, finally ito nakaka-score na rito yung Datslav EOZ Construction in this third quarter, but they're still behind by 9 points. Ito, last possession dito sa third quarter para sa Hustle Rising Suns, but there was an offensive foul. Bad break.
Yes, bad break here for Hustle Rising Suns. Even though they're up by 9 points, you want to carry the momentum, no? 6 seconds remaining here in the third quarter, as you can see here. Andun, our assist of the quarter. Hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Shop, makers of quality uniform, and making their life easy because of that great assist there in the middle end. That's a missed 3-point attempt here by Kyle Pontanoza, and that is the end of the third quarter. 9-point lead in favor of Hustle Rising Suns here. This is yet their best quarter of the ball game ngayon, Coach Pancho.
Yes, big quarter for them, scoring 24 points
Wow.
dito and limiting the Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction to just 9 points in this third quarter. That's why they took over because of their defense and a well-balanced attack. It's been the second stringer nitong ni Coach Redentor Bautista, ni Coach Peter Aguilar ang nagdala for Hustle Rising sa makabalik at to try to maneuver this ball game.
Yes, because of the 3 players of Hustle Rising Suns, walang iba kung hindi sila David Alfaro, sila VJ Canlas, and eto si Ernie Pineda making an impact here during the third quarter. Let's see if they can carry over their performance to the fourth and final quarter. And let's see naman for Datslav EOZ Construction if anong adjustments ang gagawin dito ni head coach Rolly Amonelo. And that is the end of the third quarter. Our score 53-44, 9-point lead in favor of Hustle Rising Suns kontra Datslav EOZ Construction. Pero mga kasinag, we still have 1 more quarter remaining. We'll be back after the break.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature, charge into battle with low latency. Yes! Get into the race with low jitter. Yes! Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Welcome back, Kasinag fans. This is the start of the fourth and final quarter here in game number 2 of our opening day in the first ever Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup born 2001. As lamang ng 9 points dito ang Hassel Rising Suns kontra Datslav EOZ Construction.
Okay, so ito, titingnan natin dito sa fourth quarter. We'll see if what Coach Rolly Monelo, instructed his players here and what adjustments are they going to make enable for them to make a comeback
Against dito sa Hassel Rising Suns. And let's see naman for assistant coach Redentor Bautista if they can carry over their great momentum. Oh, what a move! What a dive! And what a shot by Dave Santos!
And credit to the ability of Harvey
Salvador
to create those kind of situation. What a great spin and dime right there. Diba? A great
Yes.
find as well.
Grabe yung move na yon, grabe yung assist, and grabe yung shot. Again, they are carrying their momentum here in the fourth and final quarter.
Yes, this is what their big third quarter is all about. Yun yung nagbibigay sa kanila ng matinding momentum dito in this fourth quarter. But that was a great deflection that time.
Yes.
By Jim Bakting.
Here comes Conde, kicks it.
I think what Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction must need to do here is they need to match the energy and the hustle by the Rising Suns.
Yes, as you can see here, grabe rin yung defensive play doon ni Brent Lai bothering that shot. As Harvey Salvador, I thought that's gonna be an easy layup but loses the ball.
Yes.
And may naitawag na foul dito. I believe that's gonna be on Harvey Salvador, his second personal foul.
Yes, only his second foul, but grabe yung contribution dito ni Harvey Salvador dito for Hassel Rising Suns. He's been the one who's been dictating the offense. He's been the one who's facilitating. Talagang siya nag-orchestrate, Rowie.
Yes, that's why they're enjoying a double-digit lead here in the fourth and final quarter. Oh, that was actually that was a risky pass. Imagine mo na
He should have taken that shot.
Jim Briggs Bakting was, nandoon sa paint mismo, but minasa pa rin doon sa kanya even though there are 3 gray jerseys defending that area. That was a risky pass.
And walang defender naman sa front ni Jam Adis doon. Sayang yun. He could have taken that shot. Pwede pang pumasok sa kanya, but this was a long-distance shot.
Yes, nothing but the net there. Swish perfection here for Conde.
Yes, for Renz Conde. So he could be the spark na kailangan ni Coach Rolly Monelo dito para sa Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes, and now just by 8 points na lang ang inahabol dito ng Datslav EOZ Construction. Oh, that's gonna be a foul
On Renz Conde.
Yes.
And Renz Conde did not play
During the
first half and the third quarter. First time niya lang dito.
And eto, meron tayong fourth quarter report sa ating courtside reporter, Sarah Turchman. Sarah, take it away.
As per Hassel Rising Suns, Florida Blanca assistant coach team sabi niya nakatulong din ang hype ng kanilang crowd to get back to their defense and strategy. Medyo confused lang sila during the first half and nakuha na nila ang kanilang rhythm this second half. And also, kinausap sila ni head coach John Ross through teleconference during the halftime break and they gave them a motivational para mailaban ang nag-iinit na laro ngayong gabi. Rowie, Coach Pancho.
Thank you very much for that fourth quarter report by our courtside reporter, Sarah Turchman. Grabe yun, Coach Pancho. Head coach J.R. De La Cruz talked over to the entire Hustle Rising Suns on the phone. Again, nasa US siya ngayon.
Yes, from LA. Yeah?
LA specifically.
Yes, and grabe, no? Talagang ganun niya talaga inaalagaan at ganun siya talagang
Committed.
dito sa kanyang team, itong Hustle Rising Suns. That's why grabe yung energy na binigay pagka umpisa ng third quarter. Ito, tinutuloy-tuloy nila rito sa fourth quarter. Look at that, another offensive rebound, another hustle move once again. Pero hindi na-convert yung basket.
Yes. Three players here to bother that shot as another three-point shot for Daslav UC Construction, care of Chester Aquino.
Yes, this is why they need to convert more just sa three-point shots. Dito yung makakapagpabalik sa kanila. They need to convert a lot of outside shot and their three-point shot are starting to fall in. That's why 5 na lang hinahabol nila rito.
Yes, with 6 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here, the fourth and final quarter, anything can still happen in this ball game. As we take a look at this replay right here, nice find, left wide open, 3-point swish there for Chester Aquino. Nothing but the net. That's why they are now just trailing by just 5 points. And eto, Coach Pancho, the crowd favorite ipinasok dito ni Assistant Coach Redentor Bautista, si Dave Rodman Oliero.
Yes, to provide some, a defensive player and a spark dito para mabuhay ulit yung crowd. Kasi yun yung medyo nawala sa kanila simula nung nakakahabol na itong Laguna Daslav UC Construction.
10 seconds remaining on the shot clock here as Harvey, nice pass, fakes, takes, with the English off the glass. Kakapasok lang, nakascore kaagad si Dave Rodman Oliero.
Grabe, di ba? Instant offense ang binigay, instant impact. At ito na naman ang Hustle Rising Suns pagdating sa transition.
Dave Oliero, hinatak yung jersey niya. And as you can see, yung mga kasinag natin, they are now on their feet cheering the crowd favorite Dave Rodman Oliero. As we take a look at this replay right here, Dave Oliero, after that spin, kitang-kita, hinatak yung jersey niya dito ni Chester Aquino.
That's right. So if you're the Laguna Daslav UC Construction, you don't want the crowd, to get wild once again. Dahil dito kumukuha ng energy itong Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, and yun nga, as you can see, kanina, imagine mo, the fire igniter, even though their fire is already lit, mas pinalakas pa yung apoy dito ng Hustle Rising Suns nung pumasok si Dave Rodman Oliero.
Yes.
Energy starter for this guy right here.
Siyempre, ng kanilang favorite players. Nakita mo lang, daming hakot.
Yes, madami niya pang mga posters, ha? May mga kasinag fans dito na diehard supporter.
Grabe.
Bothered by that shot. That's why it was a miss.
Again, the hustle
of the Rising Suns. Grabe. It just shows, no? Pinag-isipan talaga na yung name nila. Imagine mo, yun ang pinapakita nila. Again, living up to their name. And as you can see, mga kasinag fans natin, mga SLA fans natin inside the Frenzy Giao Convention Center are applauding dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. As you can see here, Conde driving. Conde got bothered. Great defense by David Alfaro.
Kita mo naman yung team defense na binibigay talaga ng Hustle Rising Suns. Look at that, hindi lang pumasok.
Great hustle there. David Alfaro. No good.
Another offensive rebound dito.
Yes.
Showing the hustle talaga.
With the reverse, no good again. Got hit on the head there by... another offensive rebound. Fighting for the board. Crashing the boards. Rising above the rest.
Yes.
Pero
the effort was there. I'm sure Coach J.R. De La Cruz is happy in what he's seeing right now. Look at the efforts of his players.
Look at
diving, hustling.
Asking for an 8-second backward violation, pero naipasa ang bola. Miscommunication in the crowd inside the Frenzy Giao Convention Center is up on their feet because of Hustle Rising Suns.
Grabe. Ito na yung sinasabi natin na kapag uminga yung crowd dito. And why not? they appreciated all the efforts being given by the all Hustle Rising Suns players. Look at this.
Look
Romy.
at the effort, look at the hustle, not giving up on that play, not committing any foul right there. What a great defensive stop. As you can see, forcing that turnover or unforced turnover because of the pressure, not just because of the players, but because of the Sinag fans here inside the Brenzigio Convention Center. Coach Pacho, just wanna let you know, grabe kinilabutan ako doon.
Grabe heads up play niyo. Down on the floor, but their balance kept them from fouling.
And that's why napatimeout dito si head coach Rolly Amonelo with 5 minutes and 4 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. We'll be back, Kasinag fans, after this break.
Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, premium fabric. We customized quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Welcome back, Kasinag fans. We are still live here inside the Brenzigio Convention Center for our opening day game number 2. Pero oh my, Coach Pancho, just wanna let you know, grabe. First game was a nail-biter game. This game, our second game dito sa opening day natin sa SLA, Coach Pancho.
Wow.
Grabe ang intensity dito, Coach Pancho, live.
Grabe. Second game pa lang tayo ng ating opening triple header. But, you know, opening trailer agad ang pinapakita na itong mga Sinag Liga Asia participants natin, especially these teams na naglalaro sa atin ngayon.
Coach Pancho, just wanna credit grabe yung disciplined defense dito ng Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes.
All throughout from the start of the second quarter, carried over to the third quarter and still carrying here in the fourth and final quarter.
That's right. And tingnan mo naman, actually very evident dito sa mga players ng Hustle Rising Suns, yung kanilang movements, yung kita mo yung fruit of labor ng kanilang training because of the Hustle Basketball Skills Lab. Yun yung training facility sa Florida Blanca, Pampanga, ni Coach JR.
Yes, JR De La Cruz. And yun nga, Coach Pancho, again, they trained for 4 to 5 months just to prepare dito sa SLA, sa Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 natin, ha?
Yes.
So, nakita natin kung ano yung naging fruit noong naitanim nila na training na yon to prepare for this, you know, this basketball tournament that we have in store for our Sinag players.
Yes, and binanggit mo nga na 4 to 5 months in preparation dito ng Hustle Rising Suns. Unfortunately, dito naman para kay Coach Rolly Amonelo ng That's Love, EOC Construction, they only had a 2-week preparation because late na nabuo yung composition ng team niya after a series of tryouts. So, yun ang naging challenge sa kanila. But nevertheless, yung 2 weeks preparation na yan, they're only down by 3.
Yes, it just shows na nandun pa rin ang puso ng That's Love EOZ Construction. Again, imagine mo, Coach Pancho, they are up by 12 points earlier. Hindi lang yon. The pressure is on That's Love EOZ Construction kasi nakikita natin, the crowd favors the home team Hustle Rising Suns here in Brenzigio Convention Center. Every shot, every hustle dito ng Rising Suns, nakikita dahil grabe ang maghiyawan ng mga Kasinag fans natin watching inside. So, That's Love EOZ Construction, still well composed. That's why they are just trailing by 3 points.
Yes, and look at them. Oh, yun nga lang. Great quick hands right here. Trent's Cons finishing a fast break play dito. It's been one of the spark dito ni Coach Rolly Amonelo para sa That's Love EOZ Construction.
And now we have a nail-biter game here with 1 point lead lang by Hustle Rising Suns.
Oo, nakapag-adjust yung That's Love.
Yes.
EOC Construction dito. Medyo nag-step up yung kanilang defense.
The momentum is on the visiting team na right now, Oh, spin move, shot.
Ooh, that was a difficult shot, Roly.
Yes, by VJ Canlas, Oh my. Grabe, Coach Pancho. Iba talaga. Every player wants to shine bright Here's a Sinag Liga Asia. There's a foul call by the officials. Oh, foul on number 28. As we take a look at this replay right here, that was a great move there by VJ Canlas. Heavily guarded, got bumped, but no problem at all, says VJ Canlas, sinking that perimeter jumper in for Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, that's right. So ito, let's see off that sideline, off that baseline inbound play. Tignan natin if what play will they going to materialize. Yun nga lang, Mintes dito at tumatakbo na naman ang Hustle Rising Suns.
Oh, VJ Canlas. No good that time, and ito. As you can see
Look at
here,
Harvey Salvador.
bodies. Oh, what a tough finish there for Glenn Jared Bodies.
Ito, Twilight Zone, Rowie.
Yes, down to the last 2 minutes of this nail-biter ball game here in our opening day in game number 2 in Sinag Liga Asia.
Ooh.
Oh, got bothered there. Oh, and there's gonna be a foul call. And Coach Pancho, wala pa naman sa penalty ang Hustle Rising Suns. That's just their third team foul come here in the fourth and final quarter. So as we take a look at this replay right here, as you can see here, Glenn Jared Maddies off balance, but no problem at all with the finish. Easy bucket there.
That's right. So Rowie, ito, tables have turned dito. Nasa yung momentum, nasa Daslav EOC Construction ngayon. And they have the momentum right here at you know, ang dami ng minimitis na shots dito, mga crucial shots ng Hustle Rising Suns. Mukhang feeling ko, nararamdaman na nila yung pagod.
Yes, kasi grabe yung hustle nila kanina eh. And it just shows, no, syempre, you need to reserve your energy rin eh. If you go all out during the first, kaya nga, you need to keep, what do you call this? Dapat composed basketball talaga yung ginagawa mo. You cannot go all out, meaning all out on their energy.
Yes, but knowing this 2001 players, you know, born full of energy.
Yes.
Pero dito natin nakikita, yun nga, sinabi mong composing control ball game, but that was a long shot.
Yes.
By Renz Conde that time.
And Ernie Pineda, left wide. Oh, that's gonna be a goaltending call there by the officials. So Ernie Pineda will be, you know, that shot will be credited to him, as you can see head coach Rolly Amonelo not happy with that time.
Of course, oh, look at this. Ang ganda naman ng camera angle natin from the top. Grabe. Easy call yun.
Left wide open, Maddies, that's his range. Nothing but the net.
Yes, nag-collapse in defense ng Hustle Rising Suns doon sa loob. Kaya naman libreng-libre doon si Maddies.
Yes, Ernie Pineda has the ball. Ernie Pineda will drive, got blocked, but ball stays with Hustle Rising Suns with 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Yes, actually it was two defenders who challenged and blocked that shot.
Oh, and there's gonna be a replay here. I believe that's gonna be a coach's challenge. Oh, hold on. Was that a... Check yung signal ng referee. Was that an official's replay lang or coach's challenge?
They will review the play.
Review na lang.
Review na lang yung play.
So yun, yes, syempre grabe ang laban ngayon dito, Coach Pancho. 1 point lang ang lamang ng Hustle Rising Suns. Every possession counts here in this ball game right now. As we take a look at this replay right here. Oh, medyo mabilis pa yan. Ito, inulit pa natin ang replay as we take a look. Sino ba ang last touch dito sa last play? Oh, that was... Oh!
Let's wait for the official announcement. But sa angle natin, yes, last touch for the Hustle Rising Suns.
So ball goes to Datslav EOC Construction after the review. As we take a look at this replay after that block, naitapik pa ni Ernie Pineda ang bola. Great eyes by the officials. Good call reviewing that last play by the officials. Again, hindi basta-basta kasi ang officials natin. These are FIBA certified officials here dito sa Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup. Born 2001 Coach Pancho. And that play is very crucial.
That's right. And that's the beauty of having those review of those plays. Itong IRS natin, especially these crucial moments of this close ball game that we have.
Omi Rondo. Oh, they are now up by 1 point here. Or 1 point rather.
Wow. What a turnaround.
Harvey has to Ernie.
Hindi pa tayo tapos dito.
Ernie forces that shot and I believe there's gonna be a foul call. And yung mga kasinag fans natin. Yung iba tumatayo. Karamihan nakaupo ngayon. Coach Pancho, ha?
Yes, because lumamang na ulit itong That's Love, EOZ Construction. Because, you know, their shots are falling in. Sila naman yung mas aggressive yun. As we take a look at this one more time, look at that sidestepping move that gave them a pass. At itong si Mirondo, hindi sinayang yun, scoring that crucial basket. Pero itong si
Kyle
Fontanosa, you know, dito masusubukan sa pressure-pack free throws.
Oh, misses the first one. As you can see here, kapit-bisig na ang That's Love EOZ Construction.
Yeah, it's still anybody's ball game. Two-possession ball game pa to, Rowie, and both teams are in the penalty.
As you can see here, sinking the first, now up by 2 points, and That's Love EOZ Construction as assistant coach Redentor Bautista calls a timeout. With 38 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter, tables have turned, Coach Pancho.
Because what happened was itong Hustle Rising Suns, medyo parang naubusan ng energy in the end. Kaya yung a lot of missed shots, lot of forced shots ang kanilang binigay doon. At ito na mga That's Love EOZ Construction, talagang naman, naka-recover sila doon. Sila naman yung mas naging aggressive sa defense. That's why nag-crumble yung offense. As we take a look at Governor Coach Delta Pineda. You know, sila yung ating main game dito sa ating opening triple header, Rowie.
Yes, as Pampanga Delta will be matching up against Antipolo Pilgrims Leap after this nail-biter game here in Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Born 2001. Grabe, Coach Pancho, parang yung nasabi ko lang kanina during our first game. Kung sino man ang manalo dito sa game na to, Coach Pancho, ang pinaka-nanalo dito ay yung mga Sinag fans natin. Witnessing another exciting ball game here in Sinag Liga Asia. Oh my.
Wow.
Grabe, wala akong masabi dito, Coach Pancho, ha?
Yes, grabe. And what a way to start this Sinag Liga Asia 2023 Sinag Cup Born 2001, Rowie.
Yes, 2 nail-biter games dito. Grabe, Sinag fans, you are in for a treat right now. Pero regardless, kung sino manalo again dito, may third game pa tayo, our main event. Nako, magandang game rin. Pero let's see, back to the ball game as Ernie Pineda will be inbounding the ball.
Yes, sideline. Throw in, almost a turnover. Ito na nga.
Almost completes the steal, but ball stays with Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, tumama sa tuhod ni Renz Conde doon.
11 seconds on the shot clock here. As you can see here, I believe this is the same play that they just executed right now. Oh, this is a different one. Ernie Pineda gives it.
So let's see if will they manufacture and how will they manufacture a point lead. 11 seconds lang ibinigay sa kanila dito. Pero another miss.
And here comes That's Love. Oh, just some few scuffles here for two teams right now. It just shows that they really want to win this game, Coach Pancho.
That's right. And, you know, itong Hustle Rising Suns, Rowie, I think they missed their last 6 shots dito inside the last 2 minutes.
As you can see here, that was a good defensive stop for That's Love EOZ Construction. No easy basket, but credit to Ernie Pineda. After he misses, hindi siya yung parang nag-give up sa play. He went back to defend that ball, grab that ball. However, natawagan man ng foul, but you can see the heart of that kid right there. Ernie Pineda, oh my. And now, as you can see here, Glenn Jared Madis sinking the first free throw, up by 3 points right now. Dito ang That's Love EOZ Construction. As we take a look, yung mga Sinag fans natin.
Crucial free throws dito. And ito before this shot, both teams, you know, not shooting very well. Medyo mababa yung free throw percentage nila. But sa come crucial moments, you know, eto, dito talaga lalabas kung sino yung talagang gustong manalo dito. Their composure pagdating sa pressure.
Yes. Speaking of that shot, so great. 2 free throws for Glenn Jared Madis. He sinks that one in. He's cool, calm, and collected at the charity strike, knowing that the game is on the line. That's why they are up by 2 possessions. This is a 2-possession ball game. Breakaway layup. VJ Canlas, easy bucket! Let's go for VJ Canlas, still trailing by 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. And one bucket there for Marvin Mirondo.
Yes, Marvin Mirondo is 2 ahead of Harvey Salvador that time.
yes.
That's why I know the intention of Harvey Salvador is to stop that, that momentum.
Yes.
Pero naka-breakaway na eh. Ito yung tira kanina.
Yes, that's a good shot by VJ Canlas. However, answering back with a fast break of their own. Plus, the end one play here for Marvin Mirondo.
Yes, grabe. Marvin Mirondo playing quality minutes dito kay Coach Rolly Monelo, giving quality basket and getting that crucial steal.
Gives it to Kyle, committing that foul. And as you can see here, yung mga Kasinag fans natin for Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction are cheering. Siyempre, sa ating away team dito sa Datslav EOZ Construction.
Yes. And grabe, yung frustration din for the Hustle Rising Suns. After that big third quarter blast, nag-crumble sila sa fourth quarter. Binigyan nila ng tsansa itong Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction na makuha ulit yung kanilang kumpiyansa, yung momentum, nakarecover sila doon. At eto.
What was, increasing the lead, getting the steal, and I believe that is the nail in the coffin here.
Yes, that's right.
For Datslav EOZ Construction, and that is the end of the ball game. Congratulations to the away team, the visiting team, Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction, winning their first game here in the first ever Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Board 2001. As you can see here right now, they are really happy, and syempre because of that guy right there, Marvin Mirondo. What a great game, Coach Pancho. Again, first game tight ball game, second game tight ball game. Grabe ang nanalo talaga dito ang mga Sinag fans natin dito sa Brenzy Guillermo Legends and sa mga nanonood sa live coverage natin on Facebook and on YouTube.
That's right, and what a great ball game that we had here dito, Rowie. And first quarter, second quarter, it's been a seesaw battle. It's been a close ball game. Come third quarter, it was the Hustle Rising Suns who took over. But fourth quarter, change of momentum. Etong Laguna Datslav EOZ Construction took advantage of those opportunities. Their defense has leveled up and their offense starting to pick up. And ayun na nga. And the result is this, the final score.
Yes, that is the end of our regulation. Datslav EOZ Construction wins the game against Hustle Rising Sun 70-63. So congratulations to Datslav EOZ for winning the game here in our game number 2 of our opening day dito sa 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Sinag Cup Board 2001, Coach Pancho.
That's right, and a great recovery for them, especially dun sa fourth quarter.
Yes, and eto, let's turn over to our courtside reporter, Sarah Turgman, for the Sinag Best Player of the Game, powered to you by J Project.
And we're here with our Sinag Best Player of the Game presented by J Project, Mikael Fontanoza from Laguna Datslav X EOZ Construction. 14 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists. Congratulations, Mikael. This has been a close game and grabe, nag-iinit talaga ang laban nyo kanina. So ano ang naging lakas mo and your team para maipanalo ang laro ngayong gabi?
Ginawa lang po namin yung... Ang naging lakas po namin yung sabi po ni Coach na para po ma-impress yung aming mga boss. Ayun lang.
Ano yung naging motivation nyo ng team nyo?
Ang naging motivation po namin yung mga manager po namin. First game po namin to, dahil naipakita namin yung best namin.
Alam ko marami kang gustong pasalamatan at batiin, Mikael.
Ang binabati ko po yung pamilya ko sa San Pablo, Laguna. Saka po yung girlfriend ko, si Jersey.
Thank you so much, Mikael from Laguna Datslav X EOZ Construction. Back to you, Rowie and Coach Pancho.
And that is our Sinag Best Player of the Game, Mikael Fontanoza, brought to you by J Project. And yun nga, that is the end of the regulation. That's the EOZ Construction winning the game against Hustle Rising Suns. Pero Kasinag fans, stay tuned na kasi we still have one more game remaining for our main event. Pampanga Delta kontra Antipolo Pilgrim Sleep dito sa ating opening day game number 3. Nga, Delta Pampanga kontra Antipolo Pilgrim Sleep. And Sinag fans, just like the sun that rises and sets, we will bid this broadcast to a close. We hope you enjoyed the game and witness the next generation of basketball legends that will shine bright, not just in the Philippines, but also in Asia. Once again, this is Roy Sacote together with me, Coach Pacho, Alfonso, and Sarah Turchman. And on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, J. Marbinos, and the rest of the hardworking and passionate Sinag crew, this is the 2023 Sinag Liga Asia Born 2001 Sinag Cup. We'll see you super fans in our main event. Peace!